I gotta. Yo, what's up, guys? It's Football Star 2017 here. We are. If you live in Arkansas, you're probably looking up at the sky right now, thinking, "The heck? Look at this. It's crazy. It's fixing to hit." I pulled up THQ11 here to see if I can check the storm, but there is an extreme storm coming right now. This is gonna be a severe thunderstorm. I'm not the smart one, but there's gonna be a severe YouTube. But there is going to be a severe thunderstorm. I mean, I'm trying to get good shots of the sky here, but yeah, that ain't blue. It's going gray. I mean, I'm already in the hit. Arkansas's already in the hit zone. Mitten ain't getting hit till like, pretty sure 7 already. But what? Okay. But yeah, this is it. I mean, if you live in Fayetteville, AR, you've probably already felt it. But yeah, I'm fixing to get the round of it.
Hunter,
It's gonna be a bad one, trust me.
what does phone mean?
You can clearly see that I'm getting really bored just sitting here recording the storm. It's my grandma's new car. Yeah, I'm gonna sign off here. I'm gonna record another video right after this. I just wanted to show y'all this big old thunderstorm that's gonna roll over. Alright, signing off. I'm Football Star 2017. I will see you next time on this channel. Bye.